can you please stay out of my fucking wife?
Hi guys, so ngithi ngiyavuka ekuseni ngena ku-TikTok mengithi ngibona le video ngithi hayibo kwenzakalani manje hayibo gugu hawu nkosi yami ene guys no ake sithi a prank there is no way gugu why nkosi yami I feel so sorry for Ghost nkosi yami kade ngibathanda kangaka together no this is not happening but let's just check ama-comments ukuthi abantu bathini because mina ngisadidekile like I can't believe what I'm seeing with my eyes like what's going on. Ghost Hlubi, you need to see this. Oh my gosh, I'm sure usebonile kunini abantu bemtheka. I'm sure usebonile nkosi yami I wonder ukuthi ufila kanjani. This is a shock. Like, hey, what a Monday. It's going to be a long week. Guys, uqala nje uNovember sekuqhamuka nje igaxa. Yo, hayi bandla. Message to Ghost Hlubi. Hey nkosi yami. And uze wabhala ubhuti kwivideo yakho ukuthi to Ghost Hlubi. Stay out of my fucking wife. Hey, nesisakhona but asikho lapho. At Ghost Hlubi, after taking her to Durban, bruh, cabanga mfethu lapho ugugu wayethena akaze aye eDurban before it was her first time. And I think what if it was her first time ekibeli Banoyi. Imagine bruh uGhost wamnika leyo experience leyo and then now this is happening. Guys, no guys, no. Hlampe maybe it's just for no, it's not for content. What is happening? Ghost Hlubi, wherever you are, my dog, I hope you're okay. Ghost Hlubi right now. Ooh, Nkosi yami, I feel sorry for him. I feel sorry for him. Shame bandla. Ghost Hlubi, you need to respond to this one. Yes, he has to respond. We need him to respond. Kodwa ke mase respond angaqhomsethi, why? Yo, I can't wait for his response. Guys, mase respondile ngizobuya ngizona-update. Make sure ukuthi usubscribe la on my channel. I'll come back and update you guys. Nje ngilindele nje ayilo i-respond yakhe. Izothi nje responda imina oqala ozozala ngizothi guys userespondile nayi respond. Ka Monday ekana. Bruh, sivuka nje ekseni ngo Monday. Hayi. Ayiban. Athi lona stay out bafanelene shame. Hayi guys ngiyaphapha. Ugugu English yakhe ayina next. Ngendaba nje yale ndaba le Cape Town eyayi misunderstanding. Senzo lokhu manje kahleni guys. Uguy nje uyena nje ophethe English yakhe uguga ngendawo lapho. At least English yabo iyafana. Oh hayi ke sana. It's gonna be a long week. Yeah, ne? It's going to be a very long week and we are looking forward to this long week. A lot is happening. A lot is gonna happen. I-fucking wife yona ithini? Uyayibona nje ukuthi nayi relaxile nje. Uyabona ukuthi kule video akekho umuntu ofosiwe ukuthi enze into engayithandi. Uyabona nje ukuthi labantu ba happy. Hey, hayi gugu. Hebana. I'm sure mhlambe khona i-explanation esazoyiza ukuthi kahle kahle what happened because no this is shocking like seriously. Realizing his English is the same as hers. Soulmate. Okay. Stay out. Was he inside? Somewhere, somehow. We don't know. Ngiyadlala. Athi lona kanjani manje? Hey, nami ngididekile guys. Like, I'm out of words. Like, honestly, I do not know what to say. Ghost watching this. I feel so sad for him. I feel so sad. November uWes kuno October. Uyacabanga ngoba uma uqala uNovember. Shuthi kuningi okusazokwenzeka. Kuningi okusazokwenzeka nje. Ghost has been through a lot this year. Nkosi yami. He has. After God, fear Gugu, shame. Hey, bafethu, woo! Hayi cha nami ngiyamsaba uGugu manje. Guys, wait, don't leave now. Listen, there's another video. Yabona ke le ngivele ngayibuka ngehlelo lodwa ngathi hayibo uyena hayibo uyena. Hey! Guys, ngicela sibone le video and then siphinde check ama comments. Guys, this is not just for content. This is real life. Uthi lona I just woke up nje but hey Nkosihlubi ka had a boy. Yo Nkosi yami yabona ke le I-worse because yabona ukuthi it's not like let's take a video for content. No, this is real people. These people are in bed and these people are naked. Yo kuyajolwa la and something was happening la. Yo. Is this Nkosihlubi? Ayi wena Nkosihlubi usabanjena yini? Hayi kahle wena. Uyabona nje nawe ukuthi akuyena uNkosihlubi. Yo guys, it's gonna be a long week indeed. Yo. Hi Cape Town, is that you? Hey bafethu, uyena uGugu bafethu. Yazi I know mhlawumbe umuntu ofana naye, it's literally her, like it's her. Am I dreaming or sexile already? Kusile. This is not a dream. This is real. Like it's really happening. Like Kwamina, I still can't believe with what I've just seen. Like all the videos. Yo guys. Athi lona abafana izinja. Yo, why would you do that? Ex yakhe lena guys. How we ex 40? I think this is these are old videos. Why is he posting them now? Abantu abayithandi into enhle. How guys, kanti futhi ex. Hey, cha phela thina sazi bawethina uGugu thina besingamazi. Okay, let me talk about me. Mina uGugu bengamazi ngimaze ngoba esenoGosihlubi bengazi ukuthi yabo okay obviously benabanye abantu before but bengazi ukuthi i-ex yakhe uyena lo bhuti lo yampostile. How maybe ex hayi cha yaze yabhetha bo. Sesibabaze kangaka ukuthi why would Gugu do this to Ghost kanti into yakudala yonke le. Guys, hayi mina Gugu ngiyaxolisa Nkosi yami ayibe sengithukile ukuthi hayibo uyenza kanjani lento lena. Hey kushubile ka TikTok and kushubile ngempela guys. Nayi ke enye video futhi ya Gugu no boyfriend, okay bathi ex. Nayi ke enye video ya Gugu ne ex yakhe. Cha kodwa le ex ibitha ke bo wayiposta ama video akudala manje. Asho ukuthi ayifuna ukubona uGugu happy. Hayi cha shem yazi yangidina.
Wayicabanga ukuthi ungumsex.
Women.
Ngomile wena ngicabanga ukuthi ngomile.
Womile.
Ngomile.
Womile ne?
Wena inkinga kusocabanga into yakho.
Mawari phela.
Phela ngiserious.
Siyahamba ya. Sisendlini.
Senta nendle.
Nika.
Yini lokho? Ngithi mina ngomile.
Athi lona, I think this is the ex trying to ruin her current relationship. Mo ukuthi ngempela kunjalo phela how angithi uyazi I'm sure ulo Gugu uzomtshela uGhost ukuthi hayibo baby ex yami lena ama video akudala lawo so we have nothing to worry about. Then angebe bexabaniswa yilonto ngoba uzo understand uzomchazela ukuthi hayibo into za ama video akudala lawo. Mara why nale ex le yenza so? Hayi guys ifuna nje ama views. I think so. Video yakudala le uGugu ne tattoo manje engalweni. Oh yes, I've seen it. Beautiful tattoo. Athi we need vele ned ufuna ukumoshela Gugu. Bahlukene kudzala and ned sofuna ama likes lo. Oh yes guys, yazi I remember ukuthi nami ngayibona I tattoo yakhe. I tattoo yaGugu le eselokhuzaneni esengalweni and kule ma video lawa ayikho tattoo. Yay, kanti what's happening? Isonke siyayibuza mfethu. Athi lona, it's an old video sana. This man is trying hard to ruin the new Relo relationship. Yo, yini inkinga yakhe wayanga movie on lokho bangisicefe lana kanti yini? This man never respected her. She moved on and he didn't believe it. Oh yeah, that makes so much sense. He's just a bitter ex. Kuyacaca. Bro is posting his drafts now. Okay guys, ngiyayizwa le ukuthi uposta ama drafts, but uyayibona le video le esiqaleni le ethi stay out of my F-wife. Shimo ukuthi eyakudala nayo. So wayekade esho kubani ukuthi stay away from my F-wife. Or lawa amanye awakudala masokuthi le stay out of my F-wife. Mhlambe yanini yona ke. Okay, I'm confused a little bit, but yeah, let's move on. Lona nje uyayihlekela uthi nje hayi kumnandi emhlabeni. Hey, ithi impilo imnandi ngeyinkinga nangeyigaxa. Ayibandla. Guys nje ake sibabuke nje ukugcina uGhost noGugu ukuthi like guys, they look so good together. Guys, that's it from me. I will see you on my next video.